Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the top 5 lighting DIY car mods. In this video, I'll be going over 5 simple car modifications that will improve the lighting inside and outside of your car. And these car mods are easy enough that you can do them yourself as DIY projects. Now let's get right to it. Number 1 is LED headlight bulbs. Now, LED headlight bulbs offer a cost-effective way to greatly improve the quality of your headlight illumination. Now, they're usually super easy to install. You simply remove the old headlight and you put the new LED headlight bulb in place. Sometimes there's a medium piece that goes basically between the stock factory wiring harness and the new LED bulb, but sometimes they just plug right into the factory wiring harness themselves. It's really easy to install, relatively inexpensive, and they will not only improve how well you can see the road and cars and other things in front of you because the illumination is better, but they're also going to improve the way that your car looks at night when the headlights are on. Number 2 is LED interior lights. Now, I am referring to these lights over here, which are often called the reading lights, and this light back here, which is often called the dome light. Now, to replace the bulbs on these interior lights is so super easy. Most of the time, you simply pry off the cover, pull out the old bulb, and insert the new bulb, put the cover back in place. Now, you have to think about how often these lights are turned on. Every time you open the door, these lights are turned on. If I open the door right now, you'll see that the lights will turn on, okay? And then they'll turn off when I close the door. Now, considering how many times you open and shut your doors, they turn on and off all the time. With that being said, replacing these with LED bulbs is not only relatively cheap, it's a cheap car mod, it's something that you can do on your lunch break. It's literally that fast and easy to do, but it's gonna make a big effect. It's gonna have a big effect because those lights turn on so frequently. Number 3 is to change the dashboard light color. Now, I will tell you that this is definitely one of the hardest DIY mods within this video, simply because it's quite difficult and tedious to do. But it's still very possible with a good set of instructions and a Saturday or a Sunday. Now, it will entail, removing parts of the dashboard and changing up the light bulbs from behind the dashboard with ones that are the same type, but you can change the color. The good thing is that it will totally change the interior look of your car. If you can imagine your car with different colors with regards to the dashboard lights and the center console lights, it changes the look of your car completely. And if you think about it, these lights are on during the night. So if you're driving at nighttime when it's dark, when it's almost dark like right now, these lights are always on during those times. So you're going to see these lights really often. So it's going to be a good car mod that you're going to get the effect of quite often. I'm driving a Mazda 3 right now and the interior lights are red. If I can imagine this car with blue interior lights or green interior lights, it's going to look totally different, and it customizes the car to your own liking. Modification number 4 is to tint the exterior lights of your car. Now, I will say this, you have to make sure that it's legal to do it before you do it. You don't want to tint the exterior lights of your car and then you get a ticket or anything like that. So check out the legalities of doing it wherever you live before you actually do it. But you can tint many lights. You can tint the tail lights of the car, you can tint the fog lights of the car, you can tint the side marker lights of the car, you can tint the spoiler light of the car. There's so many lights that you can tint on the car that will make it look a lot better. But once again, check out the legalities before you actually do it. Number 5 is to add fog lights to the car. Now, you can oftentimes purchase your car with a fog light kit on it. It looks cool, it's really effective, but you can also purchase fog lights, aftermarket fog lights, or even factory fog lights and install them yourself. It's a really cool way to spice up the front end of your car. Whenever I see a car without fog lights compared to a car with fog lights, the front end of the car with fog lights looks like 10 times better, okay? It looks so much better, and they're actually really easy to install. They're fairly simple, and they're actually fairly inexpensive too, considering the fact that you're totally changing the front end look of your car. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the top 5 lighting DIY car mods. These are all lighting modifications that you can do to your car, and they're easy enough that you can do them as DIY projects, which will not only allow you to sort of get the experience of working with your car and know that you did it yourself, but it's also going to save you a lot of money on the installation cost of these car mods. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other DIY lighting car mods that you can think of that you like? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.